Welcome to Homeoftastes Veg Recipes. Let us make jackfruit preserve called as Berati or Berati. Firstly, grind the jackfruit bulbs or chop them into fine pieces. Pressure cook for 1 whistle. Then transfer it to a kadai and cook them. You can transfer raw paste of jackfruit and cook. Using pressure cooker reduces your time to cook in kadai. Sort well after you transfer your paste into the kadai. Make sure it doesn't stick to your kadai. When the paste thickens by cooking, it forms a ball. We can make payasam using this. We can make holige or eat as it is during off season of jackfruits. Excess of cooking makes it hard. It also turns brown in color. Excess cooking also helps in preserving the jackfruit balls for longer time. After cooking, allow it to cool and make a good shape and preserve it in an airtight container. You can preserve this for more than 3 months and refrigerate for a year as well. Make sure it doesn't come in contact with water. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for your notifications.